Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the ASUS Zenfone Zoom. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way. So restart the Bluetooth connection, just switch it off and switch it on again to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings. And just look for the reset options. Go to the backup and reset, select the network settings reset, and just tap on the reset settings button twice. After that, look again for your device. You can also try to upgrade system, so open settings, then swipe down and go to the system updates if you have any, install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for the watching and goodbye.